The Supreme Court of Canada has agreed to hear arguments in the appeal against Quebec's secularism law, Bill 21. That's the controversial law that bans some civil servants in positions of authority, talking about judges, police officers, most notably teachers, from wearing religious symbols while on the job. Religious groups, particularly Muslim women who wear the hijab, have said that that law is discriminatory. The Quebec government says it's important to uphold Quebec values of state neutrality and equality of men and women. Now, the province knew the law was controversial when it passed it, so it baked in preemptively the constitutional notwithstanding clause as an attempt to prevent court challenges. That didn't really stop people from trying to challenge the law in court anyways. Muslim groups, teachers' unions, civil liberties groups have all challenged it in lower courts, but for the most part, they haven't been successful. Lower courts have upheld the law and upheld that preemptive usage of the constitutional notwithstanding clause. The reaction to this morning from the groups challenging the law, saying it's discriminatory, they're pleased. They say this gives them another chance to present those arguments on a larger stage. The Quebec government has responded saying while it had hoped that it would not get to this stage, that they're fully prepared to continue defending this law, and they're throwing the ball now in the camp of federal politicians because Justin Trudeau's government has said that it would intervene in a Supreme Court case. It's not clear what Pierre Poilievre would do or the other Liberal leadership candidates. So in its response, the province of Quebec has said if Canada intervenes in this case, it would consider that an attack on Quebec's sovereignty and a lack of respect. So that's where this goes next. Federal politicians will have to answer, will they intervene in this case or not? It will probably be at least another couple of years before there's a final decision on the fate of this controversial law.